today's video, I'm going to speak to you guys about how I lost 12 pounds during quarantine and my diet, what I eat in a week to maintain losing weight. In my last video, I spoke to you about my experience with ISOT and what I did after I stopped taking ISOT to get my body in overdrive and start losing weight. I just started getting more strict on my diet, getting more strict on my workouts, and literally in less than a month, I lost 12 pounds. And that 12 pounds was lost with hard work, dedication, and discipline. This for me is going to be a lifestyle change. I would call it like a modified keto because I still eat carbs sometimes, not all the time, but you'll see. And I think this way of eating works best for my body and my body type. I'm slowly but surely losing weight that's going to stay off. I'm just showing you my meals this past week and what I ate this past week, and hopefully this will help someone on their weight loss journey.
This was my break fast. I normally have my first meal around 12:30, 1 o'clock. This meal is 4 ounces of ground beef, 2 whole eggs, 1 ounce of sweet plantain. I have 2 meals a day plus a smoothie. This was my dinner: 3 bibs of lettuce, 4 ounces of chicken breast, 2 slices of bacon, red onion, romaine lettuce, and avocado. For breakfast this day, my fiance Matt has some leftover wings. I didn't have time to make breakfast, so I had 5 of his wings with celery and ranch. I totally forgot to add all of my midday smoothies to my meals in this video. Comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to share. For dinner, I had 4 ounces of ground chicken topped with homemade queso. I also got hot sauce in my bag, so I add 2 tablespoons of that, and I love Willie's salsa because it only has 2 carbs and no sugar. It's Wednesday, y'all, and I'm lazy, but I'll make it up for dinner. Today's breakfast, I'm having 92 grams of egg whites with cheese, 2 slices of turkey bacon, and an ounce of plantain. If you ain't following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing because I share whole meals on there all the time. For dinner, we have low-carb spaghetti, 4 ounces of shrimp, and a pan with butter and truffle-flavored olive oil, red onions, and garlic. I'm gonna add 2 handfuls of spinach for iron and potassium. It's so crazy how the spinach shrinks, but there you have it. I added some truffle infused salt on the top, and I have a low-carb shrimp scampi with spinach. The whole meal is 33 grams of protein, 12 carbs, and 37 grams of fat. For breakfast, I'm going to have low-carb bread. This bread has 1 net carb per slice. I'm having the bread with 4 ounces of turkey bacon, spinach mixed with cream cheese, and 2 slices of turkey bacon. Matt made Philly cheesesteaks for dinner. I opted for no bread and used bib lettuce instead. This meal is 31 grams of protein, 41 grams of fat, and only 2 carbs. It's Friday, y'all, and I'm finally about to have some chewable fruit that's not in a smoothie. I opted for pineapple and strawberry because they are low glycemic. I had turkey sausage, eggs, peppers, avocado, and a bit of green salsa. For dinner, I was so lazy, I ain't have time, y'all. So I made a quick dinner with 4 ounces of chicken thighs, spinach mixed with cream cheese.
So that was my week, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, super low carbs. I try to eat between 20 and 50 net carbs for the day. I try to keep it high protein, high fat, low carb, but still pretty healthy. Give this video a thumbs up if you like more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my weight loss journey. I cannot believe I fell off. Like, y'all, like, this is so hard. To get back to the weight I was in 2017 and 2018 is so freaking hard. But if I did it once, I could do it again. This time, this is just simply a lifestyle change. I'm not budging from this. I'm making sure I work out 4 to 5 days a week all the time. I've learned that if I take a break for more than a couple weeks from working out, like, that's it. Like, I'm hitting a plateau and I'm probably not doing it again. So that's not happening this time. I'm getting my life together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.